Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Frigidaire Blower Housing, part number 137551110. Frigidaire Blower Housing, part number 137551110, is a replacement part for Frigidaire air conditioners and heat pumps. It is the housing that houses the blower motor and fan blade assembly. The blower housing is made of plastic and has a mounting bracket attached to it. The blower housing also contains the air filter, which helps to keep the air clean and free of dust and other particles. This part is essential for proper operation of your Frigidaire air conditioner or heat pump. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a damaged or worn blower housing in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It can help to fix symptoms such as loud noises coming from the refrigerator, poor cooling performance, and excessive frost buildup. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the screws that secure the blower housing to the furnace. 3. Carefully remove the old blower housing and discard it. 4. Place the new blower housing in position and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. 5. Plug in the power cord and turn on the furnace to test it out. You can buy this part from www.PartsIPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsIPS.com.
Visit www.PartsIPS.com to order residential appliance parts.